Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good. This is Tutor Hira and it's time for grade 3 English class. Log into aplusstudents.com, then move to language arts section and it's time for grade 3 class. And the chapter that I'm going to teach today is compound words. Let's begin with lesson number 1, form compound words with pictures. Okay, so what is a compound word? A compound word is made from two similar words. It means it's a word, sometimes a big word, which is made from two smaller words. Let's say a snow and man. These are two words. Snow, it has a separate meaning, and man has a it's a word which has a separate meaning. But when you join these two, you get a new word that is snowman. And snowman is a compound word which is made from two smaller words, one and two, these two smaller words. Let's say there is another word, there are two small words, bed and room. When you combine these two, you get a new word, bedroom. And bedroom is a compound word. Two words, smaller words, sun and day. They make another word, sun. Sun is that star which gives us light, and day is just a name. And when you combine these two, you get a new word, Sunday. And it's a name of a day. So these are compound words. In this lesson, we are going to form compound words with pictures. Now, one is given here. Let's say the word is rattle, and one picture is see. What picture is it? It's a picture of a snake. When you combine these two, you get a new word, rattlesnake. Rattlesnake is a type of snake. So using pictures, you're going to form compound words. Let's begin. Hello to everyone who has joined us. Okay, so type the missing word. It's a picture of cow, a picture of a cow, and the word is also given. So we have to find the missing word, and what can it be? Boy, cowboy, cow, the name of an animal, boy, name of a person. When you combine these two, you get a new word, cowboy. And cowboy has a separate meaning, it's a new word. So, hmm, rain. Out of these two, which word can you choose? Coat or cloud? And the compound word that we have here is raincoat. It means one word is missing, and that is coat, raincoat. And rain has a separate meaning, the natural phenomenon, and coat, piece of clothing. When you combine these two, you get a new word, raincoat, and it's another piece of clothing that you use, or you can say something that we wear on our clothes to keep us safe from rain, to keep our clothes safe from rain. So raincoat, it's a compound word. Blue, it's color blue. And on options you have berry or toffee. So blueberry is the answer because it's a compound word. Blue is the name of a color, berry, fruit, and when you combine these two, you get the name of another fruit, blueberry, another berry actually. So it's blueberry. We have to select berry because it's the missing word. Now missing word and fish. Catfish or waterfish? Which one can it be? It's catfish. Catfish is a type of fish. This is neck. What is it pointing? The neck of the giraffe. It has long neck. So neck, and in the option, tie or zebra. Tie or zebra. Necktie. Well, people wear it. Necktie. Neck has a separate meaning. Tie has a separate meaning. But when you combine these two, you get a new word with a new meaning. Shoe. Shoelace or shoe red? Well, obviously it's shoelace, as you can see. Compound word is given. Shoe and lace. When you join these two, you get shoelace. Shoelace is used to tie a shoe. Ear ring or ring, because the word is missing here, and with this picture we have to guess the second smaller word. So first word is ear and the second word is ring, so it becomes earring. Ear ring or ring. This word is missing here. Drum. This is drum. Picture of drum. And what is missing here? Drum. We have to make drumstick. So what is missing? Stick. Drumstick. You know, a drumstick is used to beat the drum. These are the drumsticks. See? Oh, no. This is something else. Drumstick is something else. Hmm. This is a picture of a barn, and the word that can be added to it to make this compound word is yard, drum yard. Honey and comb makes honeycomb. Okay, let's move to the second lesson because this is quite easy. I know you can solve it. Let's begin with how to form compound words. Type the compound word stair plus case. You know, stair has a separate meaning. Case, it can be a different kind of case. But when you combine these two, you get a new word that is staircase. Staircase. Now type the compound word week and nights. Now it's up to you. I'll give you time. Let me know in the comment box. Option one, yes, it is weeknights. Who is answering? Someone with the surname Bird. Well, it's a unique name. Next words are cheese and burger. So what can you make out of it? If you form these two words, which compound word can we make? Yes, it's cheeseburger. The next two words are heart and break. Now make a new word, a compound word. Okay, so the compound word that is formed using these two words is heartbreak, not heartbroken. Door and bell. These are the two smaller words that form a compound word. When you join these two words, you get a compound word, doorbell. The next two words, drive and way. Drive and way form driveway. Sea and shell. Sea, a water body. Shell. Shell is found at the beach of a sea. Two things. But when you join these two, you get a new word, compound word, seashell. Seashells. You can find them at beaches. Table and top. Table and top make tabletop. Out and doors. Now these two words, out and doors, what do they make? What do they form? They form outdoors. No and where. These two words, smaller words. These two smaller words make a compound word, nowhere. And with this, we are going to switch to the next lesson. You can complete it later. because we'll learn how we can, another way, how can we use compound words. Well, you know that compound word is made from two smaller words. And if you don't know the meaning of a compound word, look at the two smaller words. They can help you understand the meaning. A snowman is a man made out of snow. So if you know the meaning of man, if you know the meaning of snow, if you look at the smaller words, you can easily understand the meaning of the compound word. Snowman is a man made out of snow. Combine week and nights to make the compound word weeknights. And what does it mean? The nights of the week from Monday to Friday are weeknights. Now complete the compound word. A T blank is a part that holds T. Now you have to complete this compound word. One part of this compound word is missing, and you have to form it, complete it with that. It is a part, which means that it is a part that holds T. Now, what is the part called that holds T? A T pot. So we have to write the missing word here, which forms this complete this compound word. A teapot is a pot that holds tea. Your bed blank is the time when you go to bed. Now it's up to you. Let me know in the comment section what is the answer. Is it time or bed? Well, your bed time is the time when you go to bed. The bell you ring outside a door is the blank bell. Which bell? The bell you ring Outside a door is the doorbell because you ring it outside a door. Something that is under the surface of the water is under option 1 or option 2. Something that is under the surface of the water is underwater. Is underwater. A basket blank is a ball you throw through a basket. Which option is correct? Ball or basket? A basketball is a ball you throw through a basket. A fish plank is a bowl where fish can live. Two options bowl or fish. A fish bowl is a bowl where fish can live. A black box is a box where your mail is placed. What is the answer? Mail or box? A mailbox is a box where your mail is placed. A blank lace is a lace that you use to tie your shoe. Well, the correct answer is a shoelace is a lace that you use to tie your shoe. Table blank is the top part of a table. Well, yes, a tabletop is the top part of a table. A room you take a bath in is a bath. It's easy, yes. A room you take a bath in is a bathroom. Light from the moon is moon. Yes, it's moonlight. To get down blank, you walk down the stairs. Now you have to form the complete the compound word. One word of the compound word is mentioned here and one is missing, so find the next one, the other one. Well, to get downstairs, you walk down the stairs. So the compound word is downstairs. It's joined. These two words are joined, and one compound word is formed. And black worm is a worm that lives in earth. A worm that is a worm that lives in earth is called an earthworm. An earthworm is a worm that lives in earth. You use a tooth plank to pick at food stuck in a tooth. You use a toothpick, it's a thing, to pick at food stuck in a tooth. A shell from the sea is a seashell. C is missing in this compound word. A burger with cheese is a, yes, cheeseburger. Use a hair brush to brush your hair. A blank boy is a boy who goes to school. Obviously, a school boy is a boy who goes to school. The yard in the back of a house is a backyard. Your blank day is the day of your birth. Well, who doesn't know it? Your birthday is the day of your birth. A shape you cut out of paper is a cutout. A boat that is moved by steam is a steamboat. Well, there's a slight difference in spelling. It is steamboat. Yeah. Uh-oh, I didn't choose it. A bee that makes honey is a honeybee, of course. Glasses that we wear in the sun are called sunglasses. Okay, students, it's time to wrap up. I hope you understand the use, how to form compound words and how to use compound words. This is all for today. I'll see you next week again. Till then, have a great time. Bye.